Best 5 foods to eat for faster workout recovery.
Discover the top foods proven to help your body recover swiftly after exercise. The right nutrition supports muscle repair, reduces soreness, and gets you ready for your next session. Let's count down the 5 best foods you can add to your post-workout routine for optimal recovery and improved performance.
1. Eggs.
Eggs are a powerhouse of protein and essential amino acids, both vital for muscle repair. They also provide vitamin D and healthy fats, which support overall recovery. Enjoying eggs after your workout helps rebuild muscle tissue and keeps you feeling fuller longer, making them a practical and nutritious recovery choice.
2. Greek yogurt.
Greek yogurt is rich in protein and calcium, key nutrients for muscle growth and bone health. The combination of protein and carbohydrates helps replenish energy and promotes faster muscle recovery. The probiotics found in yogurt can also support gut health, which plays a role in overall wellness and recovery.
3. Salmon.
Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which help fight inflammation and decrease muscle soreness. It's also an excellent source of lean protein for muscle rebuilding. Including fatty fish like salmon in your post-exercise meal can support a quicker recovery and improve heart health at the same time.
4. Sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes are packed with complex carbohydrates and vitamins like vitamin C and potassium, helping to refuel depleted energy stores. Their natural sugar content, paired with fiber, provides a steady energy release. Adding sweet potatoes to your recovery meal can help restore glycogen and prevent post-exercise fatigue.
5. Berries.
Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and cherries are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and natural sugars. Antioxidants help combat exercise-induced stress and inflammation while replenishing energy. Adding a handful of berries to your recovery snack supports your immune system and accelerates the healing process.
Fuel your recovery with smart choices.
Choosing the right foods after exercise can make a significant difference in how your body bounces back. Eggs, Greek yogurt, salmon, sweet potatoes, and berries all offer unique recovery benefits. Incorporate these foods into your post-workout meals to repair muscles, reduce soreness, and prepare for your next workout with confidence.